This video sponsored by Envato Elements. Hey everyone, welcome back to Effect For You channel. Today, we are going to create particular wave title animation, like this. So let's get started. First, today's sponsor message: design your project better and faster with Envato Elements. Get over 5 million stock assets and ready-to-use templates for your next project. Create more with premium design assets, video templates, mockups, fonts, presentation, photos, audio file, and more. All this come with commercial licenses for extra peace of mind. I also get my subscription for a couple of years. Get unlimited downloads with Envato Elements, and start creating today. For more detail, find the first link in the description. As usual, first we need to create a new composition. This is our main comp. Then create a new solid layer. This is our background layer. Select the layer and search Gradient Ramp Effect. Choose Start Color with any dark color, and End Color Black. And Ramp Shape Radial Ramp. Now create another solid layer. This is our particular layer. Select the layer and search Particular Effect. This is a third-party effect, so you need to buy them, and you can find the link in the description. Now go to around 3 to 4 seconds forward, when our particles fully visible. Then trim the layer, and move the layer to first frame. Now open emitter, and increase the particles per seconds 8000. Change emitter type box. And direction, directional. Change direction spread 10%. Velocity 10. Velocity random 10%. Change emitter size, XYZ individual. Increase emitter X size, 2000. Emitter Y0. Emitter size Z2000. Now open particle, increase life random 50%. Size around 1.5. Size random 50%. Now change the particle's color according to your background color. And change blend mode normal to screen. Now open physics. Then expand air. Spin frequency around 5. And wind Y4. Here you can see our particles. Now expand turbulence field. Increase the effect position, around 250. And evolution speed around 10. And decrease the scale around 5. Cool. Now create a camera. I am using 50mm preset camera. Now select the camera orbit tool. And adjust the camera like this. And move the camera a little bit close to the composition. Now open camera option. Turn on depth of field. And increase aperture 150 pixels. And also increase the focus distance, until you get your perfect focus location. Perfect. Now duplicate the particular effect. Then create an adjustment layer. And move the layer in between particular layers. Select adjustment layer and search CC Radial Fast Blur Effects. Change zoom brightest. And amount around 80. Select Ellipse tool and create an ellipse like this. Now move the center point bottom side of the comp. Then increase the mask feather. Now duplicate the particular effect layer. This is our small particular effects. Now go to Effect Control Panel. Then go to Physics and increase the effect position around 550. And scale 20. Now go to Particle and decrease the size around 0.5. Here you can see. Now create an adjustment layer. And search Curves effect. And adjust your curves according to your particle color. Now create a new black solid layer. Then create an ellipse like this. Go to Mask and change Add to Subtract, increase the mask feather. And decrease the mask expansion around -100. Also decrease the layer opacity 70%. And move the layer below the adjustment layer. Now we need to animate the camera, so create a new null layer. Convert as a 3D layer, and parent your camera with null layer. Select the layer and hit P for position, and Shift R for rotation. Go to around 5 to 6 seconds forward, and move the Z position close to the camera. And also change the Z orientation. Change the X rotation -3 degrees, and add a keyframes. Now go to first frame, and change orientation and X rotation 0. Also change the Z position around 100. Perfect, it's look good to me. Now go to Project window and create a new composition. This is our text comp. Select Text tool and type your text. Now we need to animate the text, so open Text layer, go to Animate, and select Enable per Character 3D, then select Position, Scale, Rotation, Opacity, and Blur. Move Z position, around 1200. Y rotation 180 degrees. Opacity 0%. And blur 100. And scale 0. Now open Range Selector 1, then Advanced, change Shape Ramp up, and turn on Randomize Order. Now go to first frame, and add a keyframe on Offset, and change amount -100, then go to 2 second forward, and change the offset amount 100. Cool. Now go to Main Comp and drag the text com into the timeline. You can change the text color anytime. Perfect. Now create another new adjustment layer. And search Camera Lens Blur Effect. Go to first frame, and add a keyframe on Blur Radius, and change the blur amount 100, then go to 1 second forward, and change the blur radius 0. And check Repeat Edge Pixels. Then go to 5 second forward, and add a keyframe. then go to 1 second forward, and increase blur radius 100. Cool. Select all layers and pre-compose them. This is our Scene 1 comp. Now we want to create our Scene 2, so duplicate the Scene 1, then go to the project comp and duplicate the Scene comp here. Hold Alt key and drag Scene 2 comp into the timeline, and move your comp around 5 to 6 seconds forward. Select Scene 1 comp, hit T for opacity, and add a keyframe, then go to Few Frame Forward, and change the opacity 0%. Now open Scene 2 comp layer. Here we need to change the particle color, so select Particle Layer, then open Particle Master, and change the color. Similarly apply the same color in all particle layers and background layer. I am skipping this part so that you don't have to wait. Now we need to change our text, so go to Project Window and duplicate the text comp. Hold Alt key and drag the Text 2 comp over to Text 1 comp layer, open Text 2 comp and change your text. Also change the text color. Now go to Main comp, go to first frame of Scene 2 and add a keyframe on opacity. And change the opacity 0%, then go to Few Frame Forward, and change opacity 100%. Perfect. Our animation has done. Hit 0 for render. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video, so please, like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel. For more tutorial, I'll see you in the next video.